Before watch our video, please subscribe.
Every day, your pet waits to throw you a party when you get home. But being left home alone without anything to do can lead them to acting out. Meet Luerpci, the smart, fun, and interactive ball that plays with your pet every day when you can't. It's the perfect buddy for your furry family. It's 100% automatic and self-moving, and lets your cute friends play all day even when you're not home. You can easily switch between play styles like running and jumping with the handy mode controller, so your pupper or kitty never gets bored. The ball can even detect contact with your pet and change its direction to add to the fun. The smart mode provides 30 minutes of play, followed by 10 minutes of rest to get them ready for round 2. It's there to help you get the space you need when you're busy. Its anti-fall and strong drop resistance makes it harmless and safe to play with. You can even head outside for some relaxation and fun with your dogs. Double the excitement with a light show. From dark rooms to sunny days, there's so many ways to keep your furry little family playing with Luerpci's 5 different light-up options. Its 90mm size means it can't be swallowed. It's also made from environmentally friendly and non-toxic materials. It's your pet's new favorite toy. Surprise their day every day with a ball that plays with them. Let them play while you're away at work or shopping, and say goodbye to boredom and separation anxiety.
You want to hear a bad cat joke? Just kidding. Is your cat missing the litter box? Does it feel like torture having to clean and replace your kitty litter? Introducing iKuddle, the smart litter box that self-cleans, tells you when your little feline friend leaves a chocolate delight, and auto-packs at your convenience for disposal. The iKuddle knows when your little panther does his dirty business. It uses sensors to detect when and how often they go. After that, a timer starts that self-cleans the litter, removing only clumps and auto-packs into a small bag, which is super convenient and saves money. When ready, simply press the auto-packing button on the litter box or the convenient iKuddle app, which notifies you when the bag is full. Ever walk by a litter box that smelled like ammonia and your mother's disapproval? The iKuddle is great for multiple cats and comes with a deodorizing system that filters out the smell of your cat's butt truffles and eliminates odors, keeping your home smelling fresher than cookies coming out of the oven. Delightful. The iKuddle app monitors how often your baby tiger visits the iKuddle litter box and collects data that displays on your app. Unlike most self-cleaning litter boxes, the iKuddle's modular design allows you to detach the components for easy cleanup. It has a built-in lithium-ion battery that lasts for 15 days, or plug-in cable that lets you use it practically anywhere. Simba, you silly little lion, not there. Back us today, and be one of the first ones to eat the iKuddle, so you never have to scoop your cat's Tootsie Rolls ever again.
Meet Toby and Lucy. They look like healthy pets, but there's more than meets the eye. Close to 60% of pets are obese, often without the owners realizing the hidden dangers of their pet's weight, which is why we've created Petbiz Healthkit. Healthkit is a new way to manage the health and fitness of your pet. Our Healthkit app calculates how much your pet should eat and exercise to stay healthy. It then sends that information to our smart bowl, creating custom meal plans and keeping track of their calorie intake. A wearable measures their activity levels, which informs how much they should eat. And built-in GPS keeps them safe if they wander off.
Hi, I'm Dr. Frank, vet surgeon, and together we are changing the future of pet care. In my 10 years of career as a vet, I have seen a lot of owners that they don't know that their pets are overweight or developing health issues. For that reason, I teamed up with Petbiz to create Health Kits. This is the most advanced way to keep your pet healthy at home. The amount of food that the pet requires depends on the factors: age, breed, sterilization, and activity levels. But the feeding advice on the back of the pack doesn't factor that in.
That's why our app calculates the perfect amount of food for your pet and sends that information to the bowl. The smart bowl displays the exact weight of the food you're pouring, and a clever indicator light shows if you've poured enough or if you're a little bit over. It also records how much your pet actually eats, so you can keep track of changes in their appetite. The inner bowl is made of antibacterial stainless steel, which is easy to clean. Food and exercise are closely related. That's why the bowl uses data from the wearable to dynamically adjust the feeding plan based on calories burned and activity levels. If your cat is less active than you think, he might not burn that many calories purring around all day. So to keep him in shape, the bowl will adjust the food suggestion down. But just like with us humans, if they burn extra calories, they need extra fuel. Whilst pet posters are a thing of the past, every activity wearable also has a built-in GPS sensor that helps you find your pet with pinpoint precision and warns you when they leave the premises with an advanced e-fence. The battery lasts a whole month on a single charge, and the location and activity data are sent automatically over the cellular network, meaning there's no need for Wi-Fi and your pet can be found wherever they are.
We studied Petbiz in 2018 with the version of using new technology to improve the health of pets. Our first product, a GPS tracker, is used and loved by more than 100,000 pet families across the world. And now it's time for our biggest innovation yet. We're sure you will love our product, and we want to thank you for backing our Kickstarter.
This is your dog. This is your life. And this is your life with your pet made a whole lot easier with Wayzn, a device that converts your sliding back door into a secure app-controlled pet door. So while mom's at work and dad's, well, busy, Wayzn puts the power of using the sliding door into the paws of your pets. No more expensive sitters, no more interruptions, no more accidents in the house, no more worries. Traditional pet doors are ugly, cause permanent damage, and are a serious security hazard. Wayzn just takes 3 minutes to install your sliding door, working with all standard sizes and styles. No damage, no costly professional installation, no eyesore. And it acts as a secure lock to your home, easily disappearing whenever you need it to. Wayzn detects your pet at the door and sends you a notification so you can let them in or out. And when you're at home, you have the auto open option, doing the work for you. Wayzn even works with your smart speakers and cameras, like Alexa and Nest. So when you're away, you'll see when your pet's ready to come back in on your mobile device. When your hands are tied, you can use your smart speaker to open the door. Locked out? No need for a hide-a-key. Wayzn allows you to get into your home with your smartphone. Wayzn's safe, affordable, and secure, keeping your day's schedule on track while bringing freedom to you and your pet. Learn more today at Wayzn.com.